Hello. Okay, that was creepy. Alright, moving on. Hey, the only thing I haven't covered with y'all right now is what's known as a skeleton formula. It's a really quick-hand way, and I do it a lot. You don't do it unless you're told to do it. So, do not write skeleton formulas, or let's change that to structures, unless you have been told to write a skeleton. So in other words, for y'all, if y'all see the word propane, y'all are going to go C-C-C, happy, happy, happy. Fill in your H's around each one. We could go H, 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 oops, H, H. Of course, I'm sorry if I do that because it'll drive you crazy. But anyway, we could also rewrite that as CH3, CH2, CH3. We got all these things we can do. Here is one thing you haven't seen yet, though. It's this. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Done. That is the skeleton of propane. 1. You've still got the same 1, 2, 3. That's its skeleton. So that's the same as me writing C-C-C. Those two things mean the same thing as each other, and I do it a lot. So I want to make sure that y'all don't get confused when you see me do a skeleton. So let's say, for example, what if you saw this on a... Well, we'll just go ahead and spice it up a little. Bam. What if you saw this on a sheet of paper? How would you work this problem? Well, I've already given you some hints. This is the same as C-C-C with a, looks like a double here and a CL here. Those mean the same as each other, but notice how much faster this was. Look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 C's. Every end of a line represents a C. So there's C, 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 C. 4 C's, same as this. Now, when we number, I want to get to that chlorine first. That's why I started here. 1, 2, which means I could still call this photo 2-chloro dash, looks like we're 2 dash, well, we got 4 butene. So there's our answer on that one. Let's do a couple of more of these just so that I know that you know what you're talking about, and that way I feel better when I know that you know what it is I'm talking about. So say for example, I'll try and do something really funny looking. Ooh, I know. I'll make these little things off of it. Ooh, now that's crazy looking. It's just a skeleton. It means each one of these represents a C. So you still find your longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's hexane. So my root word on this one is going to be hexane. And now look. This line represents a C. So in other words, this picture is the same as this. It's the exact same picture, but my goodness, isn't that much better to write? But again, you don't get to write those unless I tell you to write a skeleton. And I went through a lot of college so that I get to do that. And you will see me do that, and you've got to be able to recognize it. So what do you call when you have a C hanging off of it? Well, those are called methyl groups. So this one would be a dimethyl. Hate my jam that in. And I've got 1 on 2 and 1 on 3. So 2, 3 dash dimethyl. Alright, this is going to be a short video because I just wanted you to get this skeleton. I think you've got it. Now this is where it really comes in handy. I'm not going to lie. I literally, y'all saw how much trouble I have drawing out the cyclos. I hate that. Plus, it's not necessarily a very good looking hexagon. Here's what I love. Now, we can do that. So, let's say we had one that was like 2, 3 dash cyclohexadiene. Let's do that. Let's throw something else. What y'all want up in front of that? Maybe a fluoro, a chloro, maybe a methyl group. How about, I got it. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make this one crazy. I'm going to go all the way up here. 1 dash fluoro dash. This one will blow your mind. I know. It has mine. 3 dash propyl. That's right. I just threw a propyl in there. So now draw this out. Cyclohexadiene. Well, I got the cyclo. And now hexadiene. I've got 2 doubles. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to number this one. I always like starting with a 1 here, 2, 3. And these are way too small numbers to be on the video. I'm sorry, but they're not even supposed to be there. Those are just for me to look at. So I'm going clockwise with my numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after the 2 and the 3, I should have a double. And this is how you make your double. So you just put an extra line. So say, for example, if you're doing one that looked like that and you need a double, you just put another line. So now this would be, so what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one would be 1 dash butene at this point, is how we'd name it. So we can go back up to this one. Finish it. 2, 3 cyclohexadiene. So we've got an ene after 2 and ene after 3. That 3 cannot exist. I've screwed that up, so I'm going to change that to a 5. Hopefully you know why that 3 can't have anything on it. The 1, I'm going to put a F up here on 1. I'm going to go to number 5, and watch this. 1, 2, 3. I just stuck a propyl group on the side of number 5. 1, 2, 3 carbons. So this is the same, this skeleton is the same as me doing this. There. Same picture. And I'm going to go ahead and apologize. On some of the problems, I even got carried away, and I threw the H's in. And I'm going to be honest, I apologize, try to ignore it, because I didn't realize it till after I got carried away and did it. When you start putting H's on one that looks like this, you have got a nightmare full of H's. So try and not let that discourage you. But again, those are what the skeletons are called. Oh, check out the skeleton for ethane. It's got to be my favorite one. And if you're wondering what the skeleton is for methane, I'm just kidding. There's no such... I'm sorry. If you got methane, it's still just going to be a C. There's nothing else you can do with it. Alright. I hope this gets you on your way and gets you out of confusions. And now, as I'm here today, I'd like to thank my sponsor, Instant Aloe Hand Sanitizer Plus Moisturizers. Containing 100% ethyl alcohol. Ethyl. Oh my goodness. Ethyl. Ethyl means 2 C's. Alcohol means dash OH. I just wrote 10. Well, I can't even do anything. Dash OH. Hey, looky. I just did ethyl. Oh, wait a second. We can not only do that. Check this out. There's the skeleton. Then there's the skeleton of ethyl alcohol. Not much of a looker right there. Anyway, propanol would be better because we could do this. Oh, wait. 2 propanol. And there's a picture of 2 propanol. What happens, though, if... Hey, this is actually what's cool. Check out this one. Then I could actually come up off of this one and, like, throw... dun, 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 dun. And then we could come up off of this one. And then we could... Oh, wait. And now, look, it's a walking stick. Of course, it's also... Ooh, wow. Y'all should stop the video. Seriously, I might keep on like this for like 10 minutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can name this. This would be heptane. Oh, I may not can. Oh, wait, I've got an ethyl group and a methyl. Hold on. I've got an ethyl hanging off here. So that's on. Oh, I should name that. I numbered it backwards. That should be. Never mind. That should be 2 because I numbered from the wrong end. I feel like such a loser. So that should be a 3 dash ethyl, and then oh my goodness. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Trimethyl. I can't write. 4, 5, 5 trimethyl 3 ethyl heptane is a walking praying mantis. Hey y'all, I hope you're not still listening to this, but if you are still listening to this, no, I'm not going to sing because you could still be there. Anyway, if you're still there, bye and have a good day.